In this video, I will show you how to delete Roblox cache. So I'll be showing you how to clear the Roblox cache on your PC to remove temporary files and potentially fix common Roblox issues. If this video helped you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials and easy tech guides. Now to do this, what you can do is come to your desktop. And once you're on your desktop, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type run, and then open up run underneath best match. Once you've done that, in the run box that appears in the lower left-hand corner, you want to type the following, which is a % symbol, local app data, all one word, and then another % symbol. What you then want to do is click onto OK, and that's going to open up a folder like this. From here, you want to find your Roblox folder. So it is in alphabetical order, so you just want to come down to R. You should see Roblox here. Double click to open up the Roblox folder. And then from here, what you want to do is just click onto one of these folders, hold down Control and press A on your keyboard, which is going to highlight all the files and folders. And then what you can do is come up and click onto the trash can icon to delete these files and folders. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through. If you do get a window come up like this for some of the folders, just tick here where it says do this for current items, click skip, and that's going to go ahead and delete your Roblox cache. So that is how to delete Roblox cache. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Roblox and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.